In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix washed out colors in CapCut Desktop. If you've ever imported a clip into CapCut and noticed that it suddenly looks dull, flat, or kind of gray compared to how it looked originally, don't worry. This is usually just a matter of color settings, and CapCut gives you enough tools to bring that richness and depth back into your footage. I'll walk you through the exact adjustments you need to make, step by step, using the built-in color controls. First, make sure your project is open in CapCut Desktop and that you're in the main editor. On your timeline, click to select the video or image that looks washed out. Once it's selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen for the Properties panel. This is where CapCut shows you all the options for the currently selected clip. In that panel, find and open the Basic section. Inside Basic, look for an option called Color Adjustment. Click that to reveal the color controls. You'll see three main tabs across the top of this area. We're going to start in the first one, the Basic tab, because that's where the most important slide is for fixing washed out color live. Begin with Saturation. This is the control that brings the color back into your image. If your clip looks faded, gently drag the saturation slider up and watch the preview as you do it. Move it slowly and stop once the colors start to look natural and vibrant without becoming neon or overly intense. Next, look for the Lightness section within the same tab. Here you'll find contrast, highlights, and shadows. Increasing contrast adds depth to your image by making the dark areas darker and the bright areas brighter. Raise it slightly until your clip has a nice sense of dimension and no longer looks flat. Then adjust the highlights slider. Lowering the highlights can help prevent bright areas and whites from looking blown out or hazy. Pull it down just enough to bring detail back into brighter parts of the image. You can also tweak shadows if needed. A small adjustment here can either lift detail out of dark areas or deepen them for a moodier look. Make small changes and compare the before and after by toggling the adjustment on and off if that's available. At this point, you've already done the core fixes. If you want, feel free to experiment with the other settings in the color adjustment panel and see how they affect the overall look of your project. When you're happy with the result, you're done.